That's a Roo Rock helmet, guys. But ये बारिश ना बहुत हरामी है यार. So a few months back, this bridge had collapsed. Ah! What else do you need? Ah, good. And there you go. So what is up, YouTube? It's a new day, it's a new ride. It's another Sunday ride with my boys. A weekend, another one to be treasured. I've been meeting the boys at Baldi, the 4 roads, the junction where we met on Independence Day ride. If you haven't checked that vlog, do check it out.
वरना like करो, follow करो.
So I'll continue the vlog right where I'll meet the boys. Chalo.
चलो भाई.
Sarko maze mare. Okay, count till 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, woo! Ure, take back when you learn to me. Oh, damn. Okay. So yes, guys, I've reached the Bali 4 junction, and I'll show you the lineup very soon. Later, okay, later.
Much later.
As you guys can see, after that quick break what we took, this is what we are greeted by. तेरे को हर टाइम आना है यार, हाँ? लाइनअप भी दिखाना है मुझे, लेकिन फिर भी देखो, this is the lineup. ओह, भाई ने नया लिया है, and if you know what is this, only true bikers will understand what is this. That's a Roo Rock helmet, guys. That's a Roo Rock helmet. Damn, man, damn.
एकदम रापचिक चीज है.
Let's go. Hey, when did you take this helmet? कितने helmet के थे?
बहुत पैसे अपने पास.
And we have kickstarted our ride. Oh, I did forget to tell you guys where we are heading to. Eh, Masharai, no? Masharai. Sangat. Eh, mere, kono na mare framing ko. There's no one in the frame, guys. You might be thinking I'm going for a solo ride. No. There's nothing like that. They're coming. A few people have gone in front.
Just like you long ride with your friends, Frankie Simoes' crypto courses take you to an exciting journey filled with deep insights and hands-on learning. Start with the basic course to build a foundation in Bitcoin and blockchain. Then, take it up to a notch with the advanced crypto course for export strategies and market insights. Along the way, gain exclusive access to Frankie's private WhatsApp group for real-time mentorship and supportive community. With proven expertise including his accurate Bitcoin price prediction, Frankie empowers you to confidently navigate the crypto world. Get ready for a transformative ride toward financial independence.
So this is Akhil, the OG with the Roo Rock helmet and with his ninja. This is Mr. Johnny. There are a few new members in the group which I don't even know actually. I don't know the names. But you know, as a biker, it is very common. And you have to make some new friends. Very necessary. But ये बारिश ना बहुत हरामी है यार, बहुत हरामी है. ये देखो यार.
5 minutes later.
और फिर से हम अपनी राइड स्टार्ट करते हुए, आगे बढ़ते हुए, ये आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा? So the location for today is we are headed towards a waterfall in Karnataka and its name is
मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा.
I myself didn't get much time to plan this ride out, but surely for another next long ride or a short ride maybe or a Sunday ride, I will surely post the story. So whoever can join us, you are very free enough. We are kind, peaceful and loving riders, okay? Also get a free chance to get featured in Goa's best motovloggers vlog. I'm kidding guys.
I'm a joking.
Oh, so we have finally reached the Kankona Palolem Karwar bypass. Why are we stopping here? What happened? Raincoat ghata hai re? Butterfly melo kidhar hai? Oye. Poor guy. Sorry, man. Sorry, buddy. Are you alive? Are you alive, bro? अरे उल्लो है जाएगा. Yeah. मेला solo. So we have reached the Goa Karnataka border now. We will be entering Karnataka. That is Karwar in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.5 and 1. Let's go. So a few months back, this bridge had collapsed, the older one, but the new one has been started full-fledged. Both the ends. Look at this guy. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me just settle for a moment. See, the whole bridge has been gone down. That's enough. There are pigeons there, man. Hey, pigeons. It's like a slide. Straight in the water. As always, stay tuned because the waterfall yet to be encountered. I don't want my ride to stop, guys. As you can see, there are just 2 bars of fuel that is showing over here. ये साइड है ना? अरे यार पेट्रोल पंप होई दिसी पड़ा दोनों बार है गेले भैया पेट्रोल पंप किधर है आगे 15 किलोमीटर.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew.
Thank you. Let's go. Another quick pit stop. We are back on our road to this beautiful and amazing location. Oh my god, that's a beautiful scenery there. I guess you'll get to see it from here. Oh my god, lovely. This is lovely, guys. This is lovely. It's so peaceful, guys. And we are here making all the noise, the loud exhaust. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is turning out to be so good. Hi. Bon mare.
कुछ भी
Oh, sheesh. Man, look at this view, guys. Check this out. Check this out. A water stream flowing. Paddy fields. These beautiful hills. Ah, what else do you need?
कितना दूर है 5 मिनट
5 किलोमीटर
इग्नोर करो.
Yes. Ah, good. It's just a short distance what we have to travel now, and then we're reaching the waterfall. Hopefully, there's enough water. Otherwise, waterfall ache.
waterfall.
Name of the waterfall is very gibberish. Skipping stones, Takeshi's castle. Hey, तुम helmet घेनी लाई? ना.
भागो कौन पहिले तो येते हेल्मेट 60,000 सो स्मूथ वाव ऐसे को आ रहा है तूने चोड़ा सा स्मूथ
ते मागे ते प्राइवेट आहे तू सांगताय.
वाव
Very nice.
This is ultimate test of clans, waterproof versions. And this is Alpine Star. Alpine Star waterproof but slippery. This ride is led by our very own honest demon, that is Akash, and we are very grateful for him for choosing this location. Yes guys, we are just about to reach there. Some temples here, the main man behind the lens. And there you go.
That's it for the day, guys. It's been an amazing ride, and the location also was too good. Thanks to Akash and his team for recommending this place.
Let's go.
Yes, that's it for the day. Peace out. Woo!